This new Cricut update is going to make you very happy because it made me happy. I know it will make you happy. So, when you update your Cricut software, and let me just say, if your software does not look like mine, it means that yours may be older than mine, but your software could be newer than mine. But with the software that I have right now on my Cricut Design Space, one of the first things that I noticed is this section right here. So here you can see the blank canvas, vinyl decal, iron-on t-shirt, folded cards, card stock, cutout, insert card, and stickers and labels. Now, out of all of these features right here, which one do you think I'm most excited about? Oh, wait. It's this one right here, the stickers and labels. So when I click on that, look what it does. Like, just look what it does. You can choose your custom size here. You can choose from some decorative stickers, stationery stickers, organization labels, gift labels. Over here, it says what you need to create sticker sheets. You need to use your Cricut printable materials and an inkjet printer. If you haven't already, we recommend calibrating your printer, all that good stuff. If you hover over this right here, it says view how to calibrate. I like that you can also choose your size. So let me just click here first, and it's giving me the presets for 8.5 by 11. I'll click here, same thing, and same thing. Okay, you can also enter in a custom size. Let's click on that and see what happens. I'm just going to click on create. Um, doesn't look like anything happened for me, but that's okay because stick with me. So down at the bottom, when you scroll down at the bottom, it shows that this size or this project size is 8.5 by 11. So what I'm going to do is click on templates over here. When I saw this, y'all, it blew my mind. Look at this. Look at this. So basically, they already have these. I'm just getting so excited talking about this. They have these preset templates that you can come in and use. Let me click on this one. Let me click on this one. Look at that. Look how it fits within those borders. And you all know that one of the major things about using the print then cut function is that they have to fit within this white outline border here. This looks amazing. This right here, this is that background sticker sheet. Okay, that's that background sticker sheet. Let me undo. These little hearts, these are the stickers that you're going to pull off or the labels or whatever you want to do with them. Isn't that so cool? Just going to click undo here. Now, as you can see that word give tag, it is basically like flattened into the design that I'm moving around here. I'm just gonna click the undo button. But isn't this amazing, y'all? Like my heart is so full right now. I'm so excited. Let me just select all of that and delete. Um, but again, this white block here that you see, this white design, that is the area that you have to put all of your design in for a print and cut project. Now, I do want to point out it does look like this is available to Cricut Access users. I do subscribe to Cricut Access. I have a cheat code, I have a secret that I use. It's technically not a secret, but honestly, I get half off of my Cricut Access subscription. Sometimes I get my subscription for like $1. And it's because whenever you cancel your subscription, they say, please don't go. We'll offer you a deal. And I take the deal. Okay. I take the deal. Um, but yeah, I saw this earlier and I was just so happy to see that Cricut, they're making some improvements. They're making some changes, and I'm here for it because if you are a Cricut user, I'm pretty sure that you may or may not know that you can also use Canva to do some of these things. But the fact that Cricut is incorporating these things right here in Cricut Design Space, it means that they are listening, they're watching, they're taking note of what's happening within the Cricut community. And I'm so in love. Like, look at these little designs. They're so cute. Um, Look at this, Valentine's, some party candles. It's just amazing, guys. It's amazing. Now let me show you something really quickly. If you need to update your Cricut Design Space software, I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. So go up to the top right where your profile picture is. Mine is up here. I'm going to click on settings. And then what you'll do is to see right here, it says version 9.52.47. You can also click here to check for updates. You can also click here to go to the Cricut website to see what changes and what new things they have implemented. So give me just a second and I'm going to share my screen. I'm gonna do a new share. Make sure I'm sharing the right thing with you all. Okay, so you should be able to see my Cricut design or my Cricut web browser. And you can see, they have some smart guides and things like that that they've recently released on this 9.52. It's talking about some of those updates as well. They have a lot of them listed down below. I'm just going to minimize that. But again, go back up top right corner, go to settings. And then if you need to check for updates, I'm just going to click there to see what it says. No updates available. So that means I have the most recent and current Cricut Design Space software. If yours does need to update, just be sure to go ahead and update so you can see what I see. This is so amazing, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna continue to scroll, but look at this. You can hear the excitement in my voice. Like I'm so excited about this. Like this is amazing. It makes my heart happy. Now, that's the only update that I'm going to share right now. I'll probably come back with another video that's a little bit more detailed that kind of walks you through some of these other things. But I just had to share this with y'all. Happy Friday, whatever day of the week you're watching this video. I hope you're having a great day.